make time for love. You just wait for when the landslide comes.
Thank you so much to RS Fleet Maintenance. They are the proud sponsors of this video, and they do everything from building engines to repairing suspension to modifying cars to working on trucks and buses. Please, ladies and gentlemen, visit them down in the description box below. Give them a follow on their social media. And if you have any work to do on your car in the Pretoria, Joburg area, they do call outs as well. They work beautifully and they're really honorable people. Please enjoy this video further and support the sponsors. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm joined with Sanishka. How are you?
Good, and you?
Nice
Very
to
nice to meet you.
Irshad, how's it, my bro? Lekker. Guys, I'm joined with Irshad and Shamiska today. We are checking out her 1 liter Polo TSI, lowered on a beautiful set of wheels. But I'm gonna let her tell us a little bit more about the modifications she's done to this vehicle. And as you can probably hear, 3-cylinder, 1 liter turbo, dual clutch. So I'm expecting this to be an absolute riot.
Yeah.
How long have you had this car for?
I own it for about 1.5 years now. So she's my daily driver every day. It was a bit of a challenge to kind of learn how to drive with this type of car, especially because of the drop and our roads. But it's been a pleasure so far, and she treats me really well.
I can imagine. We've actually come to very smooth roads this side because we knew we featured in quite a low car today. But what made you choose Polo TSI and also do the drop on it and the wheels?
So I've always been pretty much of a stance fan.
Okay.
I've been for a lot of car shows, and I always said one day it'll be me. One day. So I had to make that dream come true. My dad's also a bit of a car fanatic, so I grew up hearing all of these things. And I feel like a Polo is a very customizable car, and you can kind of make it pretty much anything you want. It shows a lot of personality.
That is true.
So,
yes,
yeah.
You added your own touches to this car to make it yours, which I really appreciate.
Yeah.
And then let's put it into sport mode quickly. Let's put it to manual.
Go for it.
We'll drop it a few gears,
yes, of course.
and I want to just hear this.
It's my favorite thing to do.
But the most impressive thing here is you have a car that sounds like a mini 6-cylinder. It's super fuel economical,
Yes.
and it's gonna be reliable and
Sounds so good.
and dependable.
Yeah.
This is the first time I drive a 1 liter TSI with,
Oh, is it?
with an exhaust system.
Oh, okay.
So
that was the one thing I wanted. I was like, the moment I got the car, I was like, this is a must-have.
Yeah,
I have to have it.
So I must say this is very, very entertaining. Let's see.
Wow.
Oh my god, I love it. It does. But you know what's funny about it is that it's not too loud. It's actually just right.
Yeah, it's perfect. In the car, it's perfect. Mind you, actually outside is very loud.
It's very loud.
Yeah. What is your plans for this car? What do you want to see it become? Do you want to make it faster? You do like a tune or something to it? What's your vision?
I think I did a lot of the cosmetics, so I did the spoilers and things like that. But I would maybe consider air. I definitely want to do my seats.
Oh.
I would. I feel like static requires a bit of a challenge. It is a bit of a challenge. So it requires some talent, and it's like if you try new roads and things, it's sometimes tricky, especially because I use like one route to work, and the other day I ended up on some dirt road.
Oh shit!
Yeah, so the air would have came in handy there. But some say, what is it, bags up for groceries. So it's like this whole contemplation, but I would contemplate putting air. I definitely want to do seats, maybe lights, want to program my lights, and yeah, maybe that for now.
Can I just tell you something, huh?
This is such a hood.
The most fun I have in a car is when it's a small engine, 3 cylinders and dual clutch.
Yeah.
It's so much fun. Rishat, you need to try this car out. This is fantastic. It's such a hoot to drive.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay guys, so before we, obviously Chat, you can hit the road. So Polo, this is a 1 liter 3 cylinder TSI, it's a dual clutch 6-speed transmission. If I'm not mistaken, this car has 74 kilowatt or 84 kilowatt. One of the two. We'll put it on screen now what the power is of this car. But this car is completely stock standard, just stance.
Stance and exhaust and downpipe.
Yes.
And
You
downpipe.
will have more questions when it comes to suspension and wheel choice, so yeah.
So, Samiksha, what set of coilovers you're running on this?
I'm not bad.
Just springs. Yes, the stand things on coilovers. I'm not gonna lie.
Right, nice.
It's right so soft, it's so beautiful.
Yes,
What a nice
No
choice. So
coilovers.
you actually wanna go full stance on this?
yes, I do.
That will be such a nice build. So it'll be interesting. So you're obviously gonna do the full boot setup,
Yes, of
the
course, that's
interior
another.
and stuff like that. And have you already went about doing this exercise? Do you have any time frames when you wanna do this?
I did do a bit of research. Soon.
So guys, once it's done, we will revisit this.
Yeah.
But yeah, I like this car, the way it feels, the way it drives. It's always nice to sit in a newer car and drive.
I want to know why the wheels, why that specific wheel.
So I felt it was a very unique wheel. It has kind of a concave look, and that was something that was unique. And I did have, was it the GTI rim before
Yes,
this?
the Polo GTI.
Yes.
That's correct.
And that's quite a common rim. And even though you said it, you liked it better.
I like it. I do. Sorry.
It's a very common rim, and I have appreciation for it. I still own it. I've changed it now and then, but I love this rim because of its uniqueness.
Yeah, of course, you don't find these wheels around so often as what we used to before. But I know these wheels had a very, well, not these wheels exactly, but this type of wheels in like the mid 2000s where it was doing its rounds. But now it's not so common, and I guess that's the originality that you're looking for.
Yeah, something
Yes.
that's a bit more unique that hasn't been touched on before.
100%.
I think it's very important to have your own taste in
Yes.
how you make the vehicle look and whatnot.
100%.
So, yeah.
And I think that's where she come in and she says that, you know, she wanted to put her own flair and her own touch onto the build. And then again, this is such a good platform, and the availability on parts is so next level that you can do almost anything that you want with it. It's crazy.
Shemeska, Irshad, thank you guys so much for the time in this video. Irshad, you need to put your foot down. We need to quickly listen to what the exhaust sounds like.
But so we don't blow the cameras out. Listen to it.
Thank you guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. Shamiska, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. I
Irshad.
appreciate the opportunity.
No, it's a pleasure. I can't wait to see what this car's going to become and where you're going to take it to. Guys, if you want to see other videos like this, please tell us in the comments below what else you guys want to see inside of it and the questions that we also need to ask. So that's what I'm going to challenge all of you to do in the comments below this video. Please check her out on her different social media platforms. I'll link it down in the description box below. I'll leave all Irshad's things down in the description box below, and you guys can please subscribe and like the video.
Hit the notification bell as well, guys, so you can get amazing content notifications the moment we upload them.
Bye.